It's a green buoy. It's a red buoy. It's a camera right in my face. I'm Brooke, and this is Brayden. We have 2 kids and 2 dogs, Rooney, Penn, Fraser, and Captain. At 75 tons and 55 feet long, our home is different. With time being non-renewable and our home being, well, movable, around the world we go as we roam to know. Welcome aboard Mermaid Monster.
Which dock, please? Watch your grip. I can't read you right now. Conscience Bay here. They exited with the doctor, an AED, and nurse on board. All right, Tempo, we're going to follow them in. Where are they going to? Are they going to the boat ramp or?
So this Sea Ray out here is, there's a guy that's having a heart attack and he's not doing good. So the boating community is so awesome. They had a doctor run out, a nurse, grab him on this random boat, and they're racing him into shore. Things got off to a crazy start this week. We truly hope that the unknown man that had a heart attack is okay. Despite hardships, it really is great to see the boating community come together to help each other out. We really only spent a night here in Port Jeff before we continued down to anchor in Oyster Bay. I must admit something. In this past year, my mindset has completely shifted. I went from feeling safe and comforted, tucked away in a marina slip, and to be quite honest, scared of anchoring, to now finding even more comfort and peace in anchoring out with my little family. There really is nothing like it. We're heading out to Oyster Bay. Woohoo! Oyster Bay it is. Bay, and big thunderclouds were rolling in, but it's so beautiful. And, I love it out here. These guys don't care. They went out right as the storm was coming in. They're like, nope, there's wind. This can't be as bad as when we anchored in the Bahamas in one storm. Do you remember? It was so windy.
Really hot outside.
It wasn't that hot. It got really cold before the storm came in.
Yeah.
This will be nothing. So we were able to anchor right as the storm was coming. And it looks like we drug back a little bit when I threw the anchor down. This is the only thing that makes me a little nervous because I am so OCD as we're a little close to this shoal. We're just here for the night, maybe tomorrow, meeting up with our friend Billy from Tula's Endless Summer tomorrow. So we need to make sure we're stuck good and everything. So we'll see. All right. So we got to do some work mats today with our handwriting. So is this Rooney's or Penn's handwriting?
This is mine.
Yeah, it's looking freaking amazing. Good job. And you even signed it down here.
Because I put it on a heart, so I'm like, it's mine.
Because you did a heart, of course. I should have known.
And the other side.
So this mat rocks because it's got cursive on the other side.
There's no cursive.
It's print, and then we got cursive on the other side.
Ow!
Most people, when you wake up in the morning, don't come in to find their bed taken apart with everything piled in a pile. What's going on?
You want to see it?
I swear from all these episodes, everyone's just gonna think we're like a disaster and we never have our stuff in order.
We're just under the bed.
Something's always wrong.
Check this out.
That's not true. This is just boat life. We actually really take care of this boat.
Watch this pump right here. So I'm wondering why this thing was getting
This
thing was getting a little loud. Oh,
Well, it's like off the game operation. Ow! This is burning hot! Why is this flashlight so hot? Wait, so I usually go down in these hot, tight places.
hey, Brooke.
I'm not really able to focus. Ew! That's gross. There's like a worm in there or something.
There's no...
Alright. Am I gonna get shocked?
What are you trying to do?
Find these bolts. That are,
Well, they're gonna be.
where are they?
I thought it'd be funny to have you go down there, but the bolts will be broken even if you find them.
You can crawl all the way under here. I have never seen under here. What the heck? You could hide people in here. Easily. You've obviously seen this.
Yeah.
I really could crawl under all the way in there. They're probably all the way back at the front of the side of the boat.
That goes really far.
Holy cow. Can I show people with the camera?
Yeah, maybe it's too dirty.
It's not. It's actually, no, it's not dirty. There's water in there, leaking.
Yeah, under the bathtub.
Do we need to clean that leaking up?
We should figure out where it's leaking and stop it.
Let me have the camera and show everyone. That's crazy. Okay, we're gonna show everyone what underneath from beam to beam looks like in our boat. Okay, so sit down in there. Shine that light all the way over, where you're like totally just gonna disappear into the middle of nowhere in our boat.
Wow.
Isn't that weird?
It's like a hole.
It's like a hole. Here, move your head. Move your giant head.
Dad, how cool is it?
It's cool. You gotta keep the light pointed all the way to the other side of the boat. Pen, keep the light on. Yeah, so you can see back in there. I'm gonna show them the other side.
It's like a whole new world under there. I wanna go.
It's like a whole new world under there, he says.
I wanna go.
I can show you the world.
Oh, there's some leaking.
So I'm singing that upside down as my ribs are being pinched to
Yeah.
oblivion. All right, child.
I just wanna hide under
We don't play hide and seek in this part of the boat, okay?
Okay, there's no one will find that.
No one, yeah, never.
After we accomplished the boat task for the morning, we were surprised by the popo. And no, it's not what it looks like. They just came by to say hi.
That's what it was, Canterbury.
And then we got to meet a real oyster
Is
man.
that okay? Perfect. I'm Brooke, by the way. And this is Brayden, and our boat's Mermaid Monster. So we're
Oyster, someone that collects clams and oysters? Help me out. What do you call this profession?
Do you guys want to see? Come here. Do you want to see?
I really don't care.
Wherever wants to
Anyway,
buy 'em.
Bill has been doing this for years, in the traditional way that oysters and clams were originally collected in order to preserve the habitat that they thrive in. Thanks, Bill, for showing us this unique process. And good luck.
That's crazy. Oysters. These are clams right here. They have to be over ice.
We got clams in that.
And so how long does it take to fill a basket like that? Just depends.
It's Mother Nature. Sometimes it's quick.
Crazy.
You know, you try to keep it in 10 minutes.
How do they grow?
Oh yeah, baby. I just got it
And
on
after
video.
that, well, we gotta watch our kids grow.
See,
Which, to be honest, is my least favorite
Okay,
thing.
let's see it.
I wish I could just freeze time.
Right, cool kid. Such a strong child.
And then we gotta hang out with our friend Billy from Tula's Endless Summer. Thanks, Billy. We can't wait to see you again. Now I'm gonna put the camera away so that I can actually enjoy myself. Oh, and lastly but not leastly, yoga.
Sometimes yoga studios are a little bit non-conventional. They're not always inside a studio. Sometimes.
You can do yoga with the ocean view. If you'd like my mom to keep making videos, then give my mom all of your money.
You guys, for reals, as always, thank you for watching and especially supporting. You can grab a shirt in our shop, join my Patreon crew, or send me $1 million. Or $1 million doll hairs, as Penn says. Whatever it may be, thank you. You can find all those links on our website. See you next week in New York City, also as Penn says.